money is very important for us because by the money we can buy anything, and with the help of money we can buy the time also.
It's okay, you have enough time, you can carry.
So according to me, time is more than important than money, because if we have time, so we can earn money, and if we have money and we don't have time, so we can't do anything, and we can't give time to our family. And if we have time, so we can carry our money also, and we can go to job also.
I totally disagree with you, ma'am. If you have money, you don't have to do any work. Because money is essential than time, because money can give you everything. Money can give you respect also, because if you will go somewhere with the help of car, everyone will respect you. But if you have not money and you will go anywhere in punctual time, but
I totally disagree with you, Adit sir, and as far as I concerned, according to me, and if we have time, so we can do anything, and if we have money, by the money we can't purchase anything. Like you can purchase a bed, but you can't purchase a sleep. You can't purchase a water, but you can't purchase a thirsty. This is my thing.
I totally disagree with you, ma'am. I can't agree with you. And if you have time but you have not money, so what will you do? You can't buy your water bottle, you can't buy your tiffin, you can't buy lunch, you can't take dinner, because if by the money we have to buy everything. With the help of money we have to buy everything.
I totally disagree with you. If you don't have time, so where will you consume this time? And if you have money, where will you use that money if you don't have time? And